The legal system in England and Wales used to have separate common law courts and equity courts before the laws changed. This caused confusion and inefficiency because cases had to be heard in both systems. The Judicature Acts of 1873 merged the common law and equity courts into one system, allowing cases to be heard by judges who were experts in both areas. This made the legal process more organized and efficient. Currently, the court system in England and Wales is divided into civil and criminal courts. Criminal courts deal with cases involving criminal activity, while civil courts handle disputes between individuals, businesses, and organizations. The County Court, the High Court, and the Court of Appeal are the additional three divisions of the civil courts. The Magistrates Court, the Crown Court, and the Court of Appeal are the three layers of the criminal courts. County Courts. The county courts, which are considered the most basic level of courts in the UK, are responsible for resolving various civil matters like debt collection, contract disagreements, and claims related to personal injuries. Additionally, they are tasked with overseeing certain minor criminal cases, which typically involve traffic violations and minor acts of physical assault. High Court. The High Court is a superior legal institution that functions above the county courts. It primarily handles intricate civil claims and significant criminal cases. It is divided into three divisions: the Queen's Bench Division, responsible for cases involving torts, contract disputes, and personal injury claims; the Chancery Division, handling financial disputes, trusts, and property matters; and the Family Division, which focuses on family law cases such as divorce, custody, and adoption proceedings. Each division has judges specializing in the respective areas of law, ensuring expertise in handling specific types of cases. Together, these divisions form the core structure of the High Court, providing a comprehensive legal system that caters to diverse legal issues. Court of Appeal. The Court of Appeal, situated in the United Kingdom, functions as the second highest judicial body, handling appeals originating from both the High Court and certain lower courts. Supreme Court. The Supreme Court holds the highest judicial authority in the United Kingdom, serving as the final arbiter of legal disputes. It has jurisdiction to hear appeals from the Court of Appeal, as well as other lower courts across the country. Additionally, the Supreme Court serves as the ultimate court of appeal for select cases originating from Scotland and Northern Ireland, ensuring uniformity in the interpretation of laws across all regions of the UK. Crown Courts. The Crown Courts are responsible for overseeing and adjudicating on grave criminal matters, including but not limited to murder, rape, and robbery cases. Additionally, they serve as a platform for the review of decisions made in magistrates' courts through appeals. Magistrates' Courts. The Magistrates Court is a lower criminal court in the UK. There are around 330 magistrates' courts in the UK, with one located in nearly every town and city. These courts have a legally trained clerk, who helps the magistrates with legal issues. The magistrates' courts deal with cases of minor crimes known as summary offences. These can include driving without insurance, taking without consent, simple assault, and minor traffic violations. Other specialist courts. In addition to these courts, there are also specialist courts that deal with specific types of cases, such as the Employment Tribunal for employment disputes and the Intellectual Property Enterprise Court for intellectual property disputes.